So, backtracking to last week, we were looking at the fun things about circles, which include how circles relate to squares, and the history of pi, 3.14, how it's a ratio that compares to the 4 quadrants of a circle or square. And something funny happened. I actually deleted or lost one of the videos, and I went back and looked to see if it was in the deleted files, and I couldn't find it. So we're just going to have to go back over the formula for the circumference of a circle, even though we've already gone over the formula for the area of a circle. So let's do that real quick. So the circumference of a circle is a measure of this line, and it relates to the measure of the perimeter of a square that is that it's inscribed into. Just like the area of a circle relates to the area of a square, the perimeter of the circle, the circumference, relates to the perimeter of the square. We'll just go to 2 digits past the decimal again, 3.14 over 4, where the formula is 2 pi times radius. And for me, it's more intuitive to think of it as diameter times pi. Mathematicians write it 2 pi r because we have a sort of a convention that if you have a coefficient that's a number, you put it at the front and you put the variables or the constants to the right of it. But you could just think of it that you're really thinking about the diameter. So it's 2 times r is the diameter, which is equal to a side of a perimeter of a square that it's inscribed into. And so 3.14 times 2 radiuses, 2.5. In this case, we're working with a radius of 2.5, a circle with a diameter that is 5 inches across. So it's 5 times 3.14. We're just going to the first 2 digits after the decimal of pi. Okay, so 15.7 inches. So where the perimeter of the square is going to be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 20. 3.14 of that is 15.7. So if you were to put a string around here and pick it up, it would be 15.7 inches long.